Electricity and water are not friends.
We need to apply some corrosion protection to secure that the battery will be tight.
Today, the automotive industry experiences a huge transformation.
The first challenge was to understand the customer's requirements, to find the right technology, the right process, the right material to cover that challenge.
We found out that IDDA.seal is the most effective way.
With this awarded and innovative technology, you can apply the material exactly where you want it, not like traditional spraying. You save time, you get more precision, less waste, and less weight.
That's really super cool for me.
We've been able to really offer the solution, which could be tested directly, and customer can participate on the testing directly in our facility.
We're bringing everybody together, material suppliers, line builders, customers, and we work hand in hand really closely and we can innovate together.